Morris, organizing expert and life reclaimist of restoring order. If this year has brought chaos your way, well, the holidays will be a great time to overwrite all that negative with some good. So today I'm going to show you how you can organize some easy, meaningful holiday activities that focus on gratitude. My first tip is to create a holiday gratitude jar. One year, around my holiday dinner table, I handed out little note cards, and I had everybody write on them things that they were grateful for, and everybody got several cards. So I said, I'm thankful for good parents who taught me responsibility. My son said he was thankful for his neighbors. My father-in-law said he loved living in the most spectacular part of the world, was grateful for that. And my husband said he was thankful for a hard-working wife. I like that one. So I keep this little gratitude jar in my kitchen, and whenever I need a boost, I can look in it and go down memory lane. So a gratitude jar is a great way to keep the goodness flowing at the holidays. For those of you who need to keep all that gratitude visually in front of you, create a thankful tree. I did this one year at Thanksgiving, and I handed out little paper leaves to my family, and we all wrote what we're thankful for, and we pinned it to the thankful tree. You can do this at the holidays too. So this year I'm doing things that we're thankful for on one side and what it took to accomplish that item on the back side. So this one says they're thankful for great books to read, and on the other side it says excellent vision. This one is a cozy house. And what it takes for that is 2 small businesses. And finally, we're thankful for our great nation. And what it took for that is the sacrifice of our forefathers and vets. So this little thankful tree is something that you can do year-round, any holiday you like, and it's a great way to keep an array of blessings visually in front of you. Another activity you can organize is to make a game out of gratitude. Our family loves these little questions games. We have several of them. They're great for dinner time conversation. Well, I made my own holiday version, the Grateful Game. It was so easy to do. I think I did this at Thanksgiving a few years ago. Just threw together some 3x5 cards. It's not very beautiful. You're not going to put it on Pinterest, but you'll do it, and that's the point. And I included some very creative gratefulness questions. Share something that you did or learned at work that you're grateful for and why. Name something that you have that you're thankful for that you could share with others. Or share a piece of advice that you were given for which you are grateful. So the Grateful Game is a wonderful way to get to know friends and family a little bit better. One gratitude activity that's very important in our family is writing thank you notes. It's simple, but it's often overlooked in our busy culture today. So every holiday and birthday, I help my boys with this by taking a photo of them with their guests and with the gift that they received. Then we upload this picture to one of the postcard apps, which has postage on it. We write a customized little message, and the app sends out the postcard for you. And then your guest gets a little memento of the occasion. You know, by practicing gratitude, we can redeem this year and reclaim some joy in our hearts and homes. So I've put together at least a dozen of these gratitude ideas that you can do. You just run out to restoringorder.com, go to our blog and search holiday activities, and print out that printable and get going with gratitude. Merry Christmas from Restoring Order to you. Hey, I hope you're inspired, and I hope I increased your Christmas spirit today. Run out to YouTube and subscribe to my channel for lots more holiday organizing ideas.